Hello, I'm John Keefe. I'm the investigations editor at Quartz, and I work in the Quartz AI studio. Machine learning can be really useful at finding patterns, which is what journalists do, right? You're often looking for patterns, maybe in documents or images. But that gets really hard when you have lots of documents and lots of images, or even hundreds of hours of video. These are all situations where AI might be able to help you. I'll show you how to use AI to look for objects in videos, sort images into two different piles, or look for particular topics inside a trove of documents. We'll be using interactive notebooks preloaded with the Python code that you'll need to solve these problems. You won't have to write a single line of code from scratch, and I'll be in the forums to answer your questions. This course runs from November 18th, 2019 until December 15th, 2019. It's hands-on machine learning solutions for journalists, and it's hosted by the Knight Center for Journalism in the Americas. To sign up, just go to journalismcourses.org. I hope you'll join me for hands-on machine learning solutions for journalists.